Today, April 8th, saw an increase of 20 confirmed cases of coronavirus in Kent County since yesterday, with 2 additional deaths. This brings Kent County's confirmed total to 207 cases and 8 deaths. Statewide, there are a confirmed 20,346 cases and 959 deaths. Shared in this Wednesday, April 8th update are statements relevant to local life from the Michigan Unemployment Insurance Agency, Governor Gretchen Whitmer, Frederik Meijer Gardens and Sculpture Park, and Blandford Nature Center. The Michigan Unemployment Insurance Agency has extended call center hours and is adding staff in response to an unprecedented increase in Michiganders filing unemployment claims, with the new hours being 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. It remains open from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Saturday. Residents in the call center and online chat queues before closing time will have their calls or chats resolved that day. Quote, "We continue to ramp up our services to make sure every eligible Michigander receives their benefits as quickly as possible, and we're asking workers to please reserve the phone lines for those who cannot go online or are having trouble with their account," said Michigan Departments of Labor and Economic Opportunity Director Jeff Donofrio. The UIA says the best way to file a claim is through its website, michigan.gov/UIA, where the process takes on average 20 to 25 minutes. Due to the unprecedented increase in Michigan unemployment claims, the UIA has set up an online filing schedule based on the first letter of the filer's last name. Last names beginning with letters A through L can file claims on Mondays, Wednesdays, or Fridays. Last names beginning with the letters M through Z can file claims on Sundays, Tuesdays, or Thursdays. More information about the UIA's efforts are available on its website. Governor Gretchen Whitmer signed an additional executive order today, April 8th, temporarily suspending licensing and regulations of emergency medical services. The order is effective immediately and will remain in place until the end of Whitmer's declared emergency or until otherwise rescinded. Resulting from the order, Michigan's Department of Health and Human Services will not be required to conduct annual random inspections of life support vehicles or annual inspections of life support agencies. Instead, a life support vehicle or agency will only be inspected when the department has reason to believe the vehicle or agency is out of compliance. Additionally, the executive order allows the transport of a patient in emergency or non-emergency situations to any designation designated by the Medical Control Authority or other regulatory authority, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or the local health department. More details about the order is available on the executive order page of the state's website. Frederik Meijer Gardens and Sculpture Park has been adapting to its public closure during this time through a virtual visits video series on its Facebook and YouTube pages. The virtual visits occur daily, Saturday and Sunday included, at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. FMG staff have been featured giving guided tours of the various gardens' artwork and plant and animal species present at FMG. Other recent virtual visits have featured FMG Curator of Arts Education Amber Uzma, who gave guided tours of FMG's Sculpture Park and Richard and Helen DeVos Japanese Garden. More information about FMG's virtual visits and other online content is available on its website. Also embracing online engagement at this time is Blandford Nature Center, who has been sharing a series of Facebook Live videos dubbed BNC Moments, highlighting BNC trails, farms, plant and animal species, and staff. Quote, "We know you are missing our wildlife ambassadors as much as we are as we stay home," BNC shared in a statement. A Facebook Live virtual connection can be an excellent alternative to a visit, and what a great opportunity to learn more about the Michigan native wildlife we have all grown to love. The BNC Moments series will conclude on Thursday, April 9th, with a Taste of Blandford broadcast, which will feature a one-day glimpse and behind-the-scenes peek into some of the BNC's visitor favorites, as well as an introduction from BNC President and CEO Jason Meijer. More information available about BNC and other online content is available on its website. As always, the Rapidian will continue to report on all major local developments related to the spread of COVID-19 and the community's prevention and response methods. Local residents are encouraged at this time to share their own stories and perspectives related to the COVID-19 situation on the Rapidian's platform. You can find links to the sites mentioned in this video posted in the description below. This update is brought to you by the Rapidian, GRTV, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Take care of yourself.